Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video you will learn how to get AdSense approval image which is suitable for your website article. If you're ready, don't skip any part of this video. Watch till the end. If you skip any part of this video, you will miss a lot. So if you're ready, let's get started. Hello guys, welcome to Dexy. In this video I'm gonna share with you how you can get AdSense approval images. So our previous video was how to get AdSense approval article. So our previous video, it was a very magic video because a lot of people got AdSense approval. 10 days left after we posted that video, and right now a lot of people got AdSense approval by following the strategy of writing article. That was my method. So the method that I use mostly to get AdSense approval. So the other methods I will share with you, but right now I'm going to share with you how you can get AdSense approval images for your website article. You have written an article, right? So you have written the article for your website, right? So right now you're going to get images for your website, free images, free copyright images. I will show you everything step by step. So right now what I'm requesting from you, if this is your first time you visited our channel, please make sure to smash the subscribe button and to press the bell icon in order to get every valuable video that we post daily. So if you're going to thank to me and if you're going to appreciate for me, the only thing that you can do is to hit the like button for appreciation. So without delaying much time, let's get started. First time guys, once at the first time you come your browser, so any browser that you're using, and you write here what the names that I'm going to share with you. So the first name is Pixel. So we use Pixel. This website gives us a free images, so we use this website. So Pixel, it is known as Pixel. So this is the website, right? So already I have accessed it already. So right now you see this website will give us free images for our blogger article or for our website article. So right now here, if there's three free websites, those will give you free images, and I will show you everything step by step. So here, as you see here, if I zoom for you right now, here you write the kind of image that you are looking for. In my case right now, for instance, I'm looking for BC images. So once you're looking for BC images, you select BC images, then it will show you all BC images or all computer images. So these images are totally free, guys. I'm going to make this video very short. I'm not going to take this video a long time. So anyway, all these images, there's internet. The internet is very hard. So anyway, let us cross to the next website. Right now this one you see, and you can understand how to download, right? So let us cross the next website, which will give us AdSense approval images. So the next website is known as Pix, and this one it is unsplash.com. So you write unsplash.com. As you see, all these are BC images, right? You see, these are BC images. This is a BC image. So in here only you write here what you want. Maybe in my case right now, I'm going to write here laptop. right? So I'm going to write laptop, so it will give me all laptop images, yeah, for free. So once I get all these images, I select the one that I like mostly. So once I select the image that I like mostly, then I download that image for free. So the third website is known as Bixby. You come and you tap, then you write Bixby. 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 So this one. Once you write Bixby, you will get this. So the first, we select the first one, 4 million. Yeah, the first one. This is the first one. So you can understand how to download any image in this website. All the images are free and you can download. So I'm not going to tell you how you can download. So you can download, and you know how to download. Everything is clear. You can access all these websites by using your smartphone, and also you can access by using your laptop. So in my case, I'm using my laptop, as you see. So if we come back if we come back to Pixel, as you see, already we have written BC images. So all these images are BC images, as you see. If I wanted this one, I click here. Yeah, I select this one here, download. So the image will be downloaded automatically. So anyway, I'm not going to download anything from here right now. All these images are free right now. If you are going to get Adsense approval image, these images are free, and these are the most images that I use mostly. So this is the Bixby, right? This is the Bixby. So, and this is no, this is not Bixby. This is Unsplash, and this is Bixby. So these three websites will give you Adsense approval images for free. Really, I'm telling you the reality, guys. No one else will tell you like this idea. So this idea is the idea that I get Adsense approval mostly for all my websites. So the reason that I am sharing with you these resources for free is for one thing, to thank to me, and also to take my knowledge. So are you going to thank to me, right? So if your answer is yes, please, you have to click and you have to hit the like button in order to allow this video to reach a lot of people. Join us by selecting the subscribe button and also pressing the bell icon to get every notification coming from our channel. So I'm going to conclude my video here.